Hey friends, today we're going to read Pete the Cat and His Four Groovy Buttons, written by Eric Litwin. Pete the Cat put on his favorite shirt with 4 big, colorful, groovy buttons. He loved his buttons so much, he sang this song.
My buttons, my have 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, 4 groovy buttons.
Pop! Oh no! One of the buttons popped off and rolled away.
I did it.
How many buttons are left?
3!
3! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept singing his song.
My 3 groovy buttons. My 4 groovy buttons.
Oh no. Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
2!
2. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My 2 groovy buttons. My 2 groovy buttons.
Pop! Oh no! Another button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
1.
1. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He kept on singing his song.
My 1 groovy button. My 1 groovy button.
Oh no! The last button popped off and rolled away. How many buttons are left?
9. 1. 0.
0. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Buttons come and buttons go. He looked down at his buttonless shirt, and what do you think he saw?
His belly button.
His belly button! And he kept singing his song.
My button.
Still got my belly button. My button. Still got my belly button.
Oh, tiara.
And my tiara. I guess it simply goes to show that stuff will come and stuff will go. But do we cry? Goodness, no. We keep on singing. Buttons come and buttons go. Bye, everybody.
Ah!